Hello guys, back to another video. Today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 with I Want to Alivent.
Yeah.
Right now I'm waiting for my turn. I Want is right now doing a match.
No, I just ended.
Oh, okay. But now I think I'm gonna vote for a map after this. Okay. Time to vote for a map in a second when the maps actually spawn. I'll do Hotel 2. Because this one is my favorite out of all of these. I'm just gonna go up here. Oh, the map is already loading.
Oh, I just got a hollow sight and a golden gun.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Hollow sight is pretty rare.
I
Yeah,
really hope I get something good, and I got Inno. Okay, great. Great.
Why, look at my new knife.
I can't right now.
Where are you?
I don't ever. I'm by the movie theater.
Alright, I'm coming.
Well, Everett, what if somebody kills me? By the
I
way,
found, like,
yes, we are brothers. Oh no.
Look at this, look at this new knife. You see it?
What is it?
Oh.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Thank you whoever gave me that. I-19,
Um.
A-19_34.
Oh, I'm
Thank
level
you
9.
for
I'm about to
helping.
unlock trading.
Shout out
Look.
to them.
Wait, look at this. I'm about to unlock trading soon.
Yeah, he is. I'm gonna give you my golden gun. Okay, wait.
But and can I have a new knife? This one's sort of boring.
Yeah, but I'm not giving you my house.
Okay, but after I make it to level 10, we're gonna do the trade, and then we're going to do a 1v1
Hey, yo, look.
if we want to.
Look right up there. Why, look here. Why, look on my screen.
Cool.
I'm gonna give you the Alex knife.
Once I make it to level 10, I think we're gonna trade, eat a few things, and then I think I should do a 1v1.
We're going to do a few 1v1s, but as soon as Gotcha Wyatt gets, well, I can just call him Wyatt.
No, gotcha, Wyatt.
Alright.
Well, no, butterflies, because that's my actual username. But Roblox doesn't allow me to do XX butterflies XX for some reason, and I have to do gotcha Wyatt.
But anyway, let's continue.
Well, it doesn't show your display names
so
here.
Butterflies, my golden gun, and my Alex knife.
Your Alex knife, like your Minecraft one?
No.
Oh, what
no,
is it?
I have like an Alex knife in this game. Oh yeah, the golden gun is actually rarer than ancient, I think. Cause it's.
Oh, I just noticed I was sheriff.
Oh. Wait, so we're sheriff and I'm Murd?
Wait, you're sheriff? Wait, you're Murd?
Yeah, I'm Murd. Oh. No, you don't have to do this. Eat that.
Excuse me? No!
He's trying to block you. We're not teaming. We're not teaming. Teaming is bad, but I just feel like doing it.
Yes! 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 That was I think that was like my first sheriff when in a public server. Like, look at this.
How many more?
Sheriff victory.
You're kind of close to getting to level 10.
Oh.
See if I can trade you right now.
No. I can't. Yeah. But I think after like one more match, I would probably be there.
Yeah.
And unlock trading. I'm excited for this.
You're excited for your golden gun?
Yes.
And your Alex knife?
Yeah, and I'm excited to finally be able to trade.
Yeah. Just don't go trading these. Should be Alex. Alex knife is kind of rare, I guess. Cause it wasn't
You know.
It was just like it just went. It's the code went extinct.
I'm playing on Inno.
Oh boy, this person's chasing me. I'm sheriff though too, but I'm sheriff.
Oh well, take out your gun.
Give him
Okay, well, I'm gonna find a place to hide. Maybe.
What the heck were you doing? I thought they were the murderer.
Oh no! Everett, maybe I can find your gun.
Oh, there's only 4 people in the server. Oh yeah, it's Izzy. Go through the basement.
No, no! Everett! 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 Oh no!
You
No!
can say my name. My name is Everett. And people keep spoiling my name. Well, my brothers keep spoiling my name. And
Yeah,
no.
yeah, but it's okay.
My name is
Like,
Everett.
I feel like you guys would know that that, like, what my real name is. But I would rather you call me Butterflies because that's my.
male. Don't get me confused with a female.
Don't get me confused with a female.
What level are you now? Still 9?
I'm still on level 9. Probably because I hardly survived that at all. But this girl, she's good. The girl that just killed me, she is good.
She's good, but she doesn't.
But I did just run into her.
Yeah. She was gun camping.
Honestly, I don't care what map we get. I just would care if I got Murd or Sheriff.
Oh, this person. Oh, this person has Heartblade.
Oh, really? That's cool.
I'm
Murder! I'm Murd.
He's Murd!
Yes. Yes.
I'm not Sheriff. Oh, he's making you think that you're the Murd.
Well,
That's the first order of business in this town.
I'll hide with them. Little do they know. Yes.
I'll tell you what will happen. This is not teaming. Oh, she's waiting outside. Go.
No.
Oh boy.
I lagged, so it sucked.
She lost the game.
What?
You won.
Yes, I got a murder victory. And I reached level 10.
Alright, you reached level 10?
Yeah, I'm ready for my trade.
Trade, accept the button.
Where's the button? Trade requests on. Accept. Do I need to trade you anything? Golden. And then the Alex. I would probably want a different knife. Maybe something a little bit less crazy. Well, actually, I do like that thing that you just showed me. I like. Oh, I like the one that you just showed me before.
Well, that's the only good knife I have. So.
Oh.
I can give you because the training sounds cool. Acceptance wave.
I accept it.
There you go. Alright, do I have any?
Oh, I
don't
Everett,
have any
I'm Sheriff.
On the first.
I'm Sheriff.
I don't have any guns, so I have to equip this. Oh, you're Sheriff?
Yeah, I'm Sheriff.
Wait.
Wait.
A murderer. Go.
It happened again.
Bro. No. Oh wait, I want to kill Bold. Well, they're not Bold. Not everyone is Bold. Except for you. You're Bold.
Yes. I'm getting so much better at this.
You are. Okay, let's do some more.
Okay, let's do that.
A new golden gun and a new outfit.
Oh. Okay, Death. Let's join Death.
Yes. Epic Death.
I'll
I can record. The reason is because I have so much stuff on my PC.
So I'm Murd again.
Sorry, friend. So just don't bother SF2. SF2 is kind of mean in real life. Actually.
I literally just noticed that I wasn't recording that whole entire time, so I just started recording again. Okay,
Well,
where in the world are you? Ooh, I think didn't you go an event?
Probably not. Oh yeah, I don't know. No!
Yay! Woo! I'm getting good at this. Also, just letting you know, I do use footsteps.
I use haste.
Well, I guess we both do something overpowered.
Will this be the end of the recording or no?
No, it's not gonna be the end.
Yeah.
We are still going to play a few more 1v1s.
How happy are you that you got your knives?
I'm really happy. I'm excited to use my golden gun.
I'm so happy I actually got that Alex betrayed. I was not expecting that. Like actually, I was like, okay, what does this person want? Oh, okay.
Sheriff. Ooh. Ooh, and you got the mansion too.
I'm gonna go full try hard mode.
Oh,
Without jumping.
Full try hard mode without jumping.
I missed.
No, whoa.
I missed again. No. That wasn't a full try hard mode, but that was kind of hard.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know I was this good.
You
Like,
weren't that good, but when somebody asks you,
I really like that hollow scythe.
Hollow Scythe is pretty cool.
It looks so cool.
Alright, trade me. I'm surprised.
Okay. Okay.
Trade me anything.
I'll trade you the Alex and Borders. And I'll trade you my love gun.
Cool.
Okay, wait, that's enough?
Boy,
Well, I'm gonna take this back. Okay.
I'm doing this
I
for
guess.
content.
I guess.
I'm doing this for content and views. Let's go.
Murd. I got murd, but I still have my black knife on.
I heard you want. Okay. I wanted to give you that just because that looks cool on you.
I got my scythe.
Oh, you did? No. How cool is that scythe?
It's so cool. I love it.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna keep on playing
Give
this.
me it back anytime you want. It can be never. You can give me it back anytime.
I really like it. Oh, it says that I use the squire.
It doesn't even have to be anytime. You can just keep it.
I'm gonna start playing this game a lot because of this new knife. Look at
If
it.
you ever want to give me it back, then you can.
It matches my gun.
It does. Oh, it does a lot.
Because there's gold on it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna keep this gun and knife as my little combo.
Somebody says, "Hey, can you trade me those just for like a blank or like a thumbnail or something?" Say no, because they will leave the game and keep your stuff.
Murd.
Sheriff, I almost said murd.
Murd.
This is the end of the video.
No, I have 2 minutes left.
Up!
It's so fun. And look, he is literally level 84, and I keep on beating him somehow.
Yeah, because now I think it's time to go the next level of like hard.
What is it?
You were on easy mode, now you're going on normal.
Normal?
It's like the medium section.
Okay.
I'm not a robot, okay? I'm just.
Confirm that you are not a robot. Press here.
When super expert on him, then I will.
So now I'm on normal mode. Okay. I feel like I have gotten better. So. Sheriff. Okay.
Now I'm stuck with this Alex knife, but I'm fine with that. I'm fine. So good. Because this is an exclusive knife.
Oh!
That's one of my two.
But anyways, this has to be the end of the video now. Goodbye!